behalf of 6th Karachi EP Summit, I would like to welcome you all.
So we are starting our session with our first talk, that is on welcome note.
We have dedicated sessions for allied professionals, for our PGs, for our fellows.
There are no sympathetic parasympathetic fibers on the HIS system.
Upcoming, so we should actually know that in future maybe it will be an option for the patients in which we cannot implant a CRT.
So that need to be really taught to our juniors and everyone that how to manage heart failure comprehensively.
And these leads are then connected to the various types of the pacemaker boxes.
जो बेसिक सेटिंग्स आप अपनी लीड्स की और बैटरीज की कर सकते हैं वो यहाँ पर आपको नजर आती है.
There are two kinds of signals in general, a near signal and a far signal.
So this is something which need to be investigated, and still there is no data on it.
Majority of the reasons we do it, one is obviously if there is a recurrence, there might be one single lot.
तीनों चीजें आपको as a clinician मिलेंगी, पैसा, publication, promotion. So you start driving that.
And antiarrhythmic drugs with airway dysfunction.
पेशेंट को कोई टेकिकार्डियाज हुए हैं और डिवाइस ने उसको ट्रीट किया है तो वो यहाँ पे आपको नजर आएंगे.
The vegetation is less than 25-30 millimeters. I do it myself.
I can't see it sort of fully replacing.
First, there's an atrial tachycardia. The onset and offset is sudden. The morphology of the P wave differ from the sinus morphology.
Our strategic partners, the Orbit and the entire team. So thank you so very much for making this a success. And another story that we will write next year, inshallah, 7th Karachi Summit 2027.